In this video I am going to teach you how to edit urban black tone in Lightroom Mobile. Let's start editing. Exposure negative 0.93. Contrast plus 10. Highlights plus 10. Shadow plus 100. Whites plus 9. Blacks negative 4. Now go to the curve setting. Take a screenshot of it, or copy settings by downloading the preset. Link in description. Now move to the colors setting. Temperature plus 42. Tint negative 7. Vibrance negative 65. Saturation negative 6. Next setting is a color mix. Red color hue negative 19. Saturation plus 58. Luminance plus 6. Orange color hue negative 7. Saturation plus 13. Luminance plus 20. Yellow color hue negative 37. Saturation negative 90. Luminance plus 16. Green color hue negative 49. Saturation negative 48. Luminance plus 27. Aqua color hue plus 60. Saturation negative 50. Luminance plus 11. Hue negative 28. Saturation plus 26. Luminance negative 70. It is done. Now go the color grading. Shadow hue plus 220. Saturation plus 28. Blending plus 100. Balance negative 44. Highlights hue plus 169. Saturation plus 20. It is also done. Now move to the effect. Clarity negative 9. 𝗽𝘀𝘀𝘄cie plus 16. Vignette amount negative 21. Midpoint plus 30. Feather plus 50. Sharpening plus 30. Noise reduction plus 20. Color
Now
noise
copy
reduction
settings
plus
and
25.
apply to other images.